How to fix connection timeout error in ARK. So if you want to fix connection timeout error in ARK in Windows 11, then what you need to do is just follow this video. Many users have been complaining about a connection timeout issue when trying to join official servers. They report that every time they attempt to connect a timeout, message appears. Even users with high performance PCs, great video cards, and plenty of RAM have encountered this problem. For example, some have played over 8,000 hours in single player mode without any issue, but have never been able to join an official or registered server. Similar problems have also been reported on custom servers like Crystal. To fix this, the first step is to ensure that servers that you are trying to join is actually up and running. You can use some better websites to search for your servers. If the server status is down, which is often the reason behind the connection timeouts, especially on official servers. If the server is not down and players are connected, they should maybe relate it to something else, such as an APG update firewall restriction or even your internet provider blocking certain connections. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the connection timeout issue and enjoy playing APK without interruptions. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.